Okay, this is our system for installing chain link fence posts. As you can see, we've got a whole bunch of them already. We're in frosty ground where you got to get the poles down deep, and it's a lot of work to set them in concrete or whatever. So we're using the Pylex screw poles, which you turn in the ground, and these are going to go in the ground like 3.5 feet. How are they going to go in, you ask? With a 2x4 going around and around the merry-go-round? No. Look what we got here. We got an impact wrench, 1/2-inch impact wrench, cheapo model, $70 on sale. It's already drilled about 100 posts. We have an adapter for a 3/4-inch drive socket, which fits loosely inside the Pylex post. And the other big plus of this system is you can watch it level, plumb, all the way down. Put your fence post level on there, put your earplugs in. Commercial, be a good time for a commercial. Fire it up, and away we go. It's going to take, obviously you need clear ground here with not a whole bunch of big rocks in it. We're in clear ground here, it's mostly clay. It's going to take between 5 and 7 minutes to drill this hole with minimal effort and watching the plumbness all the way down. First we'll start the generator. Generator's on. Now we'll plug the cord into the generator. Check the level once in a while. Okay, so the other nice thing about using these Pylex screw posts for the chain link fencing is the line posts, the smaller line posts, 1.5 inch, fit just nicely over top of the Pylex post. So once you've got the Pylex post in the ground, like this one, you slide your fence post over and you tap it down with the hammer until it's at the height you want. And you can adjust the heights later. As you can see out here in the field, we haven't adjusted all the heights yet. We wait to put the top rail on, and then we can just tap them down until they get nice and level, and you can make a nice straight line. The corner posts, the heavier corner and end posts, are larger, so they fit loosely. They would fit too loose on the Pylex post, but very simple, cheap solution. 1.25 inch polyethylene water tubing just happens to fit just nicely inside the end posts and just nicely over top of the Pylex post with a hammer. So you slide the tubing onto the bottom of the post, and when you're posting the ground, you tap it down and it works just great. Actually, what you do is you pound this on first until it's down to the top of the post, and it'll stay there, and then the post taps on top. And that's the end of the system. Thank you, Pylex.